So here we are in the first stall of this fashion event at Capitol, which is Siha, the angel in you. From all over from Kolkata, she has brought beautiful dresses, the beautiful costume, the beautiful innovatory and all the fantastic things which you can see about the dresses which you will find in her design. Actually, which I am looking at, is a very beautiful. In fact, I can see all the girls, all the women who are gonna wear all these type of dresses, they are gonna look damn sexy and beautiful. Well, ma'am, starting with you, I would like to know your name. What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Siha.
You are Siha from Calcutta. Ma'am, what you would like to say about your dresses? Like, how much time it has taken to be like this, which are all beautiful. The colors are so elegant, guys. So, what do you like to say about your dresses?
Like we mostly deal with like the color palettes and all according to the season, according to the we do a lot of customization according to the needs and all. So mostly we cater to the age group starting from 15 till whatever age, whatever like color palettes we use. So we dress according to the people who have a taste and elegance for the fashion and all.
Okay,
they do their own styling as well.
Alright, so ma'am, you are here since I guess 3 years you are coming down over here, right? Maybe. So what do you have experienced about the customers, that what they like? What
people, they are very like clear about their taste. Yeah,
exactly.
What they want, they give us a budget so that it can be worked out according to the budget. Some people are, I want it more heavy according to the occasion and all. So whichever outfit they choose, we suggest them according to the color, tone and skin complexion as well. So we do that, and then they finalize, they trust their designers, they treat us well.
And you are happy with the customers?
Yeah.
You
The
guys
clients
are
are very
satisfied.
niche over here. Yeah.
Alright. Dress which you are carrying today is more attractive for you.
These are all our creations. So obviously all dresses are special, but this time this color is really going in for the like June, July weddings.
Exactly. For all the ceremony and all this stuff. Okay. But I'm in love with this one.
Yeah. These, the pretty flowers and all, anybody want to customize the sleeves or a ruffle, so we do a lot. The dupatta looks very pretty with that. So these are very nice, it's going. This is also
I would like to know about this design. How you will describe this? Like what it is actually?
This one is like what I'm wearing, it's like the great one. So it's like what I'm wearing, that's with a peplum. This is like a smart cut with again the drape suit.
Exactly.
Like these are easy to wear drape sarees.
Exactly.
Like yes.
This is looking very unique, and I guess the customer are gonna like it.
These are with the
Easy to carry.
What are the type of budget it is?
This one is for 18.5. What I'm wearing is 21. So these are the mostly budget because we deal in all pure fabrics and all, and our handcrafts are all hand work. So nothing machine and all. These are pure zeros.
My name is Nivedita.
Alright. So here I can see that you have wrote your Nibi's design. So
Yeah, it's my company's name.
okay. And what you are having today?
We are having customized gift hampers. Like we deal in customized hampers for every occasion. Like right now we have made some gifts hampers for Holi, because Holi is around the corner, right?
Yeah.
And we also deal in for anniversary, birthday presents for every occasion. We even have like for shagun, we do wrappings and all. Like for wedding shaguns
Yeah.
and
These
all.
all things are looking very cute. As you
Yeah,
can
these are all handmade. Everything is handmade.
Handmade.
Yeah, we even deal in potlies and all.
Okay.
These are all potlies. You can see over there.
Okay.
The kind of bags. Those are all handmade.
And is this being made by where? Do you like you people or from Jaipur export or Rajasthan export?
No, we make it over here.
You guys make it by your own and over here only. So
Yeah.
what?
And one
what
more
do you
thing,
think?
we also make these handmade bath and body products. Like we have rose bath salts. We have lavender bath salts.
Okay, so these are the secrets of your beauty. I guess.
Yeah.
See, alright. So what do you calculate the most special thing which you are having today which will attract the customers the most?
I think this one, the holy cart.
Okay.
Like it has got all the pichkaris, the baldis, the dry fruits, all the eatables you can see. These props you can see.
Yeah.
The colorful gulals over here.
Yeah, I can see all of this. So these are the package जहाँ पर आप बोल सकते हो यार कि मना रहे हो होली तो पूरे परिवार को यही दे दो.
ये दे दो. और अगर आपके पास कोई और ऑर्डर है कोई भी चीजों के लिए, give us a week time, we'll prepare for it.
Okay, so here people you are going to get actually everything. होली से पहले होली के लिए सब कुछ मिल सकता है यहाँ
सब
पे.
चीज मिल सकता है. आपकी शादी होने वाली है, शादी की पैकिंग कर सकते हैं हम लोग. बर्थडे आने वाला है, एनिवर्सरी है, कुछ भी है. We deal in every kinds of gift wrappings.
Okay.
And the thing is, if you're not in Ranchi, you're not from Ranchi, we have pan India shipping also.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. Audible, sir? So here people, I am at Rajni Poshak, which the girl is from Ranchi and she is having great collections. So ma'am, I would like to ask that what you are having with yourself.
I'm having all the कृष्ण जी की सारी पोशाक हैं, उनके ड्रेसेस हैं, ज्वेलरीज है, सब कुछ है. एंड गणेश जी लक्ष्मी जी की भी पोशाक है, ज्वेलरीज हैं. वी आर हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ कलेक्शन. एवरी साइज इज अवेलेबल फ्रॉम 0 size to 12 size. And we are having hand painted paintings. This is all made by myself.
Yes, people, so we can have a look at how pretty it is with all the fashion categories, India wear, Western wear, accessories and all the stuff. And here it comes Bhagwan Ji. Yeah. सबसे ऊपर वाला जो होता है वो यहीं पर है. Exactly. So she's having the best collection. I can count it down because she is having the collection of the gods. So if you want to make your god look pretty or wise and you love your god to get dressed up and all, you can find here in this stall with this beautiful lady. And we are having her mom also, and would like to show some beautiful pretty poshak which she has said, which is looking quite amazing. And I guess all these are handmade, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And which looks really really beautiful. There are a lot more than this. You can find all the types of color, you can find all the types of red, which is being said कि ये सबसे फेवरेट होता है और सबसे ज्यादा खूबसूरत और अच्छा होता है, शुभ माना जाता है. दिस द कलर ऑफ दैट प्लग. एंड सारे कलर्स हैं, एलिगेंट है, पिंक, येलो, ऑरेंज, वट एवर यू वुड लाइक यू कैन हैव ओवर हियर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. प्लीज 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 विजिट दिस स्टॉल एंड ना शॉपिंग कीजिए और भगवान जी को भी खुश करने का आपके पास बेहतरीन मौका है. रजनी पोशाक बहुत अच्छी अपने पास नजर उतारने का ये है ना, कनेक्टेड है ना, सब कुछ यहाँ है ना. फेसबुक में हम लोग का इंटीरियर डेकोर खुद का बना है. Alright people, so I am here at Fashion Point and today is the inauguration day.
We are meeting to one end to other end. We have the jewelry with 5,000 also and 5 lakh also and 50 lakh also. Yeah. So we are dealing with basically from diamond, polki and gold. All jadaus are there, and we deal with the solitaire also. We give certified. All the GI certified is there. 96 hallmarking also is there. We are having, and we have designer jewelry. We will get the one piece of satin. Our collection is always different. You can follow our Instagram page also.
And ornament.
And ornament. This is our logo. Just capture our logo. Yeah.